If you need to pay for SHA, here's the easiest way to complete the payment securely. First, visit the official SHA payment portal. Make sure you are on the correct government or authorized website to avoid scams. Next, enter your personal details. Provide your full name, passport number, flight information, and any other required information accurately. Now, select your payment method. Most portals accept credit/debit cards, online banking, or e-wallets. Choose the one that's most convenient for you. After that, review your details. Double-check that your personal information, flight details, and payment amount are correct before proceeding. Then, complete the payment. Follow the on-screen instructions to authorize the payment. Wait for confirmation from your bank or payment provider. Finally, download or save the receipt/confirmation. You may need it for travel or verification purposes. Keep it safe and accessible. Once done, your SHA payment is complete, and you're ready to proceed with travel requirements.
If this tutorial saved you time, like the video, subscribe to LearnBase, and ask your next question below.